Hello and welcome to 3D Printed Soup. This week my wife has sent me a challenge. She says that 3D printing is a waste of time in the home and all I use it for is printing out toys and bobbleheads. Which is kind of true. So she said to me, print something which is useful to her around the home or something which she can use to help organise or basically life hack something that she does. So, now she's got lots and lots of stationery and stuff that she likes to basically keep around the home office, and that can get a little bit disorganised sometimes, you know, paper clips and bulldog clips and all that kind of stuff sort of in different pots. So I thought, I know, I'm going to try and make her some kind of organiser which will basically put them all in one place and make it really easy for her to find everything that she needs in one go. So let's see if we can't print something which is a little bit more practical than the usual role-playing game figures or scenery. So let's give it a try. So I think we have proved that 3D printing does have practical applications in the home, apart from printing out small plastic figures and amusing bobbleheads. Got a really nice stationery organiser here, and you can print that at any size. And this is 50% of the actual usual STL size recommended. So the walls are a little thin, but it does look very elegant and really quite nice. So yeah, you can double or even triple the size of it, and so you can fit tons and tons of stuff in there. And it's not just stationery, you can put makeup in here, pretty much anything you want. So yeah, hopefully the wife is happy with this, and hopefully it does prove my point that yes, 3D printing does have practical applications inside the home and isn't just for toys and games. So thanks very much for watching 3D Printed Soup. If you like this video, please feel free to thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down. Any feedback is great. Leave a note in the comments if you want to say something, and once again, thanks for watching.